Hi pilots, I do the home here from FMCA in the Republic of Korea. Today I'm gonna unboxing the motor glider made by FMS, the named Fox V2 version 2. The wingspan is 2,300 millimeters, and this is my first time for the EPO gliders. Let's open it. Manual here and the main wing pipe, and this is the left main wing, and there is no silver linkage. Maybe there are some parts packed in there somewhere in a box maybe, and right wings here, and this is the horizon tail wing, and right, this spare part, the linkage connector and hinge and some cables, and finally the fuselage here. Right, the fuselage has the folding propellers here, and great. Okay, the unboxing is very simple. There are no other parts here, only 1, 2, 3, 4 stops and 1 main wing pipes. I will make it assemble together today. Alright pilot, no, I underestimated it. My nose got hurt. As you can see, you have to set all the control horn, and you made the linkage. It's a very boring work in face of me. Okay, let's go. Open the pot jack. Too many control horn. There are 6 control horn here. 5 control horn has a control ball. Just 1 control horn has not the ball. You have to use this control horn for the horizon stabilizer. There are 5 linkages here. This is for the rudder, and 4 is the same length. 2 for aileron and 2 is flap. Fasten your bolt here, the same size. It's very small, 1.7 by 7. Using this bolt, and I fixed the control horn without the bondage, like this. I will make the ailerons and flaps 4 more established to set the control horn here. I finished the horizon stabilizer, some the control horn, and now some the flaps and ailerons here. You have to be careful the ball directions. Right? This is for the right wings, and this is for the left wings. I think that is very important thing because when connect the linkage and the ball should be parallel with the solver line. So this ball direction is very important. Right? And this 2 is the other side, the ball. So they are for the right wings. After assemble the linkage, I will show you. Finish the control horn on the fins, the flap, and the ailerons. Okay, I have 5 linkage here. This short for the rudder, and this the same length of the linkage is 2 for aileron and 2 for flaps. And I finish the control horn like this. The bore of the control horn should be located with the servers like this. And I connect the linkage to the server. I just select the loader control horn here. Okay. Linkage, the control horn is set up here. And the outside. And here, and using the longest bolts to fasten. Okay. Right, that's it. And linkage. All right. All right, finished. And now I will assemble the horizon tailwheel. Okay. Can you see this bar here? And here should be contact. Like this. And fasten the bolt through this hole. Can you see this linkage? Before the assemble the horizon tailwheel, you have to connect this control horn to the linkage. So first, you release the rudder bolt to release this linkage to back. I will show you. You have to release this nut from the server first, and then the linkage out like this, and connect the horizontal wing. put in the hole like this, and you can see your control horn is put this linkage to the server. Okay, linkage again, like this, the center, and fasten the nut again. Great. It's okay. When you connect this link control horn to the linkage, you must be careful not be broken. And now I will connect the tailwheel bolt here. After the connect the bolt and fasten, and I will show you. I fasten the two bolts to fix the horizon stabilizer. When you fasten the bolts, you must clear bolts first, and this bolt is next. So it's much easier to assemble a horizon tailwheel. Now I'm finishing this big bird assembly. The big bird assembled is finished. But I'm wondering, there is no wingboard. Hold it please. I'm looking for the wingboard position, and there is no place to wingboard assembly. Alright. Here is a full hole to fix the wingboard using this close driver. Like this. Alright. Just turn right, and that is the wingboard. Okay. All right. Finally, I assembled my big bird, the FMS Fox rider, the motorized rider, with the folding flaps. Okay. Right. It was hard time to assemble, and thanks for watching, and have a nice day.